Hello guys, I am back with the new airdrop updates. This video all about the zksync airdrop claim for the free. How can you claim the zksync airdrop? So first of all, know about the what is the ZK. ZK has raised a total volume of 458 million from the lending industry like blockchain capital, dragonfly capital, and there are multiple other investors. They are hinted by launch their native token for the future, so trying out their mainnet and testnet to make them eligible for an airdrop when they launch their own token. We highly recommend you to do transaction on the regular basis to increase your chance to become eligible like every month or every week, for example. So first of all, we know about how can you claim the JNKS airdrop for free. So how can you claim the airdrop? First, you have to participate in the mainnet task. Visit the Jenkins era mainnet bridge page. Link is the given on the description. You can get and visit on the Jenkins era mainnet description. Before visiting, pause this video fully so you can understand what you have to be do where. Connect to your Ethereum wallet. You have to be connect to the Ethereum wallet just like a MetaMask or a Trust wallet, and after then bridge the Ethereum from the Ethereum mainnet to Jenkins era mainnet and vice versa. You can buy some ETH on the Binance and then transact it on the Jenkins era mainnet to vice versa. Any other things just like a Jenkins era to ETH. So you have to be round up the Jenkins mainnet wallet. Then you need to transact from one net to second net, and then you can also combine the Orbiter Finance speculation airdrop with Jenkins airdrop by bridge asset by layer 1 to layer 2. That's mean you can also transact the layer 1 to layer 2 and Zcash and Science Air Bridge. So you can also transact the Starknet to Polygon or Polygon to Ethereum, Ethereum to Binance. That's an BNB chains. Just like you have to be using the bridge, so you can as much as you transact, you will as much as participated the mainnet. So this is how much you will get the tokens as much as the you will participated in the mainnet transaction, other things. And testnet, how can you participate in the testnet? Visit the Jetcase and Science testnet page, connect to metaverse wallet. All the steps are the same for this. First of all, you have to be first just like a testnet mainnet. You have to be in mainnet, you have to be Jenkins mainnet page. The testnet page, you have to be go to the Jenkins Jetcase and testnet page. So connect your MetaMask wallet and start transaction with the testnet Ethereum and validating their transaction, validating their system. So don't forget to verify your Gitcoin passports. You can also verify it if you don't know how can you verify the Gitcoin passport. You can also use their catch or any other things that can be proof of humanity and you are not a bot. This team has hinted a launch of their own token, especially the other users who are transactions. Here the link given is the claim now button and visit website. These are the both links where you can go on the Jenkins website and just go on the testnet or mainnet to transact and be eligible for the airdrops. What is the price pool you will get you transact on there? And then it approximate $500 according to your how much you transact with the mainnet or testnet. Winners is unlimited because the as much as people transact on their mainnet and testnet, they will be eligible for the airdrops. Deadline is January, so that's mean they are not announced the deadline, so you have to be mainnet or testnet eligible for the airdrops. Conclude any transaction and just eligible for the airdrops of Jetcash and Sign airdrops. So this is the video about the Jetcash and Sign airdrop. I hope you understand everything. If you want to claim that token or want to link of this website, I am giving on the description, so you can check it out and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. We will meet on the next airdrop update in this video, in this channel, in this video, whatever it is. Have a good day. Bye bye.